In this lesson, we're going to talk about identifying the hand of a door. And what we mean by that is which way does the door swing open, to the left or to the right. The way I cheat is to think of the H in the word hand standing for the H like in the word hinge. Just 3 steps. First, open the door. Next, put your back against the hinges. For those of you who need help with this is my front. And this is my back. Got it? So back against the hinges. Last, which side of my body is the open door on? That's all there is to it. Let's see how Ron does. Open the door. Locates the hinge side. That's correct. Open to your left. Nice job, Ron. If the door is open on your right, it is a right hand. If open on your left, it is a left hand. This is the only rule. It does not change. Here's a bird's eye view of a door. Here's the jamb, the door, the path of the swing, and the hinges would be here. So if you put your back to the hinges, this is a right-hand door. And it will always be a right-hand door. Watch. Get it? Here's a test. Hand is this door. If you said right, you are correct. Here's a hint if you said left. Makes sense. While we're talking about the hand on a door, let's also talk about in-swing versus outswing. There seems to be a lot of confusion about this, but it is just as simple as understanding the hand. First, interior doors are always sold as in-swing. This is standard. If you tell a salesman that you need an LH outswing door for in between the bedroom and the bathroom, he just might shoot you. He just needs to know the hand, not the swing. But for exterior doors, you need to call out the swing in addition to the hand. Here's one tip. There are no front entry doors that are outswing on a residential home. On residential homes, an outswing is an oddball, but we do get a few. Also, if you are standing outside the house and you can see the hinges, you're looking at an outswing door. You can use this handy chart to help you identify the swing. And remember to always look at the door from the outside of the house. If the open door swings to the outside of the house, it's an outswing door. It's that simple. Let's recap. Again, to get the hand, open the door. Put your back against the hinges and answer the question, is the open door on my left or right?